So what is up, everybody? My name is Cody. I'm the one that's running this channel. And if you have already seen, there's like 2 or 3 different videos already, just kind of thrown up there. The last one was in my room. I felt like outside was probably a little bit better. This channel is for those that want something a little bit different, another source of income, maybe want to change their life around and have a business instead. Maybe you're a parent that wants to be able to attend your kids' games, or maybe you want to start something, you're introverted, or you just don't know where to start. All the information that I've learned from doing some of this stuff myself is going to be packed into this YouTube channel. While you may not call this a business, I perfectly understand. At the end of the day, anybody could be a YouTuber. You just got to put videos up, but it takes a good YouTuber to put quality in there for you and actually take time out of your day to watch. So stuff like finances, legal stuff, those 2 things, I can't necessarily say this is the right way to go because I'm not a professional in those. I don't have a law degree and I do not have a finance degree or can give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but all the terminology and everything in between, I'll be able to give to you as learning from college to where this can spread to more people here in the Valley as well as in the US. To my buddy out in Sri Lanka, what's up, dude? But yeah, if you want to learn more about business, click the subscribe button down below. I was going to say follow, but that's Instagram. Instagram's kind of just thrown up there. So if you see that, hey, my bad. But I can't really do everything as for right now. I'm a little busy, but I'm going to make time for the YouTube channel specifically and grow it from there. But yeah, hit the like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see in a video. I have a lot of information that sometimes just pops out of nowhere, right? Like sometimes I'll be here standing and I'll just think randomly, I want to know something else, right? That was a horrible example. Anyways, comment down below what you want to learn about business, whether it's terminologies, what an income statement is, balance sheet, what's cash flow, what's a legal structure that you can put for your business, what are the benefits, what are the cons. I'll do a whole video like this for you. It'll probably be more edited as time goes, but as for right now, just thrown as is. Hopefully all the information is helpful to you. And just to let me know that I'm doing a good job and hopefully I'm providing value for you, comment and let me know. If I'm not doing good or the topic sucks, just say it as how it is.